This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Sharika Kerr. Quaint manufactured home, offering a blend of comfort and convenience in the heart of Spring Hill. This spacious 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home features a bright, open floor plan with ample natural light, perfect for modern living. The large living room flows seamlessly into the dining area and fully equipped kitchen, making it ideal for entertaining or everyday living. The master suite includes a generous walk-in closet and an ensuite bathroom with brand new fixtures. 2 additional bedrooms with plenty of space for family or guests, with easy access to a full guest bathroom. Enjoy the outdoors with a cozy front deck, perfect for morning coffee or evening relaxation. The well-maintained 1-acre yard offers space for gardening, pets, or leisure activities. This home is conveniently located near schools, shopping, dining, and major roadways, offering both peace and accessibility. Additional features include an indoor laundry room, luxury vinyl flooring, window treatments, electric water heater and central HVAC system. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own this charming home in a fantastic Spring Hill neighborhood. For more information,